Hi, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we're here with Dan, and we're gonna be reacting to Airplane Part 2 by BTS and its Japanese version. We're super excited and we can't wait. Alright, let's go. Here we go, you guys. 3, 2, 1. I really like the glass doors.
I just like the feel of it.
I know, I like the vibe already.
I like their hair too.
I know. Why is he so cool? Like, god damn it. I like how they're still sharing one mic. I know. I love how I said that. I like his ring. I like how they did this. I really like this. I love their outfits. That's a cool shot. They're so fucking cool. I hate it, but I love it at the same time. The hats, though. Bitch. Hey. I fucking love that. No, that whole thing. Oh my god. I love the hat. I like that little headband on him. Okay, the hat's doing it for me. They're so fucking cool. What the fuck, hey? Like, what? Beach! I'm literally shook right now. Is he gonna turn around? Hey! Oh my god. I wanna watch that. So, what did you think?
I thought it was really good. I liked all of it.
Oh my god. I'm like, right here at this part, I was like, that fucking lighting, like, he looks so fucking cool. I'm just like in awe. Seriously, I love this music video. I honestly think it's one of their best like Japanese music videos that they have, and all of them are really good. They have such swag. It's incredible.
They have a lot of confidence for sure. And I mean, that's just them in general, but I feel like especially in this video.
I know, it like really came out, and I fucking love it. Like, you could tell that they're all confident and like they're just like vibing, having a cool time, you know. You could tell this is like they really like this song. And like I love the like that part with RM and everyone's behind him dancing. I really like that part. I think that part comes up soon, but I really like this part with them just to like it just focuses them, and they didn't have like anyone else in the background. Like this is the part I was talking about. I really like this. I really like this. I don't know. It's like they're all just chilling. And
well, each time someone got a part, it was mainly them singing. It wasn't like everyone else, like on like how it is on stage and stuff.
Yeah, like I like how they focus this part where Jungkook smirks at the camera. Hold on, I want to see it. Where is it? That my heart melted. I don't know. I just love how the sun is filtering through the windows, and it just like it's such like a soft like glow throughout the whole music video. I really like that. And the clothes were on point. The hats killed me. Like I was like fangirling. So, like that. They look so cool. I just like the and this J-Hope, you need to stop being so goddamn cool. Like, goddamn it. He's like literally Michael Jackson to Korea. Like, seriously. So, do you like the song?
I like the song.
Do you like the music video? Do you think so out of 10 out of 10, what would you give this? In your opinion?
Like an 8.
An 8? Because what is your favorite music video?
I don't know. Like probably, I don't know, Idol or something.
Idol's your favorite. But this, for a Japanese music video, I think this is my favorite one for sure. It's like, I really like this. And this rain scene, beach! They killed it! I love it. Love it. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this with us. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day. And bye!